Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video I am going to show you some Shabby chic style wall decorative ideas. If you want to create a space that equal parts rustic and feminine, Shabby chic is your idea aesthetic. While it is by no means a new trend, the Shabby chic style is truly timeless. This interior decor is all about celebrating coziness and styling maximalism. For lovers of all things soft and vintage, you can't beat Shabby chic. Whether your interior is already filled with Shabby chic details or you are starting from scratch, wall art is the perfect way to elevate your space. Shabby chic is not synonymous with outdated. In fact, putting a modern twist on rustic decor is all the rage. While modern Shabby chic may seem like an oxymoron, considering the emphasis on vintage details, there are plenty of ways to blend classic and contemporary. The first is to hang a pieces of wall art that is equal part of fluff and fashion. That means embracing ruffles, lack and plus textile and finding a pieces of artwork that matches these cozy vintage details. However, the wall art should also have a splash of modernism in its appearance. You can achieve this look by searching for a pieces with a dark accent color, a multi-panel layout, or a minimalist composition. If you need a little clarification on what classic Shabby chic style really looks like, check out this tips from expert article on vintage charm. Slightly more feminine than a strictly rustic style, Shabby chic is a synonymous with sophisticated countryside decor. This romantic style is characteristically vintage with a pastel color scheme, inspired by delicate colors and soft textures for French countryside decor. Quaint coziness is the ultimate goal. Choose an unfinished coffee table with an imperfect paint job and top it with vintage books and pink points. Find accessories like vintage colors or reclaimed wood for an additional rustic touch.